Couscous is really just a form of pasta, and Lebanese couscous is a larger size granule. You can see the difference here between the Lebanese couscous and the standard couscous that is a very tiny granule, usually made with pilafs. So now couscous is cooked just like pasta. It's very simple in a big pot of salted boiling water. One thing that I love about this salad is that it will take just about anything you can think of from your refrigerator to make it taste great. I'm cutting up some cucumber. We're going to add some chopped olives and tomatoes, making it really delicious. I have a beautiful serving dish, and I'm going to get that out right away because we're going to mix everything right in the bowl we're going to serve it in. An ingredient that really ramps up this salad, chickpeas. They add fiber, protein, flavor, and a texture that I love. The couscous is looking beautiful after cooking for about 10 minutes. The flavor maker for the dressing is pomegranate molasses. This salad looks just fabulous. The finishing touch is a little bit of fresh chopped mint, which gives our salad that Lebanese wow factor. I can't wait to get a bite of this. Love the couscous, great texture. Love the flavor of the vegetables, and that dressing is key. I hope you're going to enjoy making this salad as much as we love eating it. Take a look at my next video for more Lebanese cooking, and find this and lots more Lebanese recipes at maureenaboud.com.